Rohit, as you listen to this, your thoughts?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
As you listen to this cheering, what are your thoughts on the appreciation you're being shown?
No, firstly, I want to appreciate everyone who came and supported here. The crowd here has been magnificent. It's not our home ground, but they made it our home ground. Only because the number of people came here and wanted to watch us play. To get that result in the end was very, very satisfying.
From a bowling perspective and the way that your slower bowlers in particular operated today, what grade do you give that collective group?
No, absolutely. Look, not just this game, but right from the beginning, I thought, our spinners in particular, just there's too much expectations, when you're playing on a pitch like that, but they never disappointed. We do understand their strength playing on pitches like this, and it helped them, and we used that to our advantage. We played some really good cricket, and throughout the tournament, in terms of our bowling, we were very, very consistent.
The opening partnership was a very solid one, and then some tremors in the middle there. Someone like a KL Rahul and his steadiness. Speak to us about his series and tournament.
Yeah, look, again, a very, very solid mind. Never gets overawed by the pressure around him. That is one of the reasons we wanted to have him in that middle phase and try and finish off the game for us. With this experience, with his class, there's a bit of calmness when he bats, and he picks the right shot to play in the pressure situation, which obviously allows the other guys who are batting around him to come out and play freely. For example, Hardik came out and played some really good shot in both games that actually gave us a little bit of breather. But again, the overall batsmanship that was shown by all our batters throughout the tournament was superb.
I just want to go to another name who came in belatedly into the tournament. I think you touched on it just now, Varun Chakravarti, and what he has brought to your team.
Again, he's got something different about him. I have said it many a times, and when you're playing on a pitch like that, we want the batsman to force on him, and that is where he becomes a lot more dangerous. And that was the thought which went behind getting him into the squad and actually playing him. He didn't start off in the tournament for us, but then, when he played that game against New Zealand, he got 5 wickets, and we saw the kind of ability that he possesses with the ball, and we wanted to maximize that, and he didn't disappoint. He's got great quality about his bowling, and luckily for us, it came.